Assalamualaikum everyone. We are going to present about reward system for Permatasuri Beach Resort. Now, I will proceed to business process for the reward system. First, customer need to fill their details in the form at the website to register as membership. Second, the system will process the information and send the verification to the customer email. Then, the resort will send the membership card to the customer address. The front desk clerk will use this membership card and scan it when the customer want to check in to allow the system to update the point. In order to update the customer point, first, the system will review the customer by membership ID and service use. Then, it will generate the point based on the service and record it in customer point form. To redeem the reward, the system will show the total point and the customer need to fill their current point in the reservation form when they want to make a reservation at the website. Now, I will present about context diagram. The external entity for the context diagram is member, which is the customer. The reward system required membership and service use detail from the customer, and if the customer recommend the resort to family and friends, the system also required new membership detail and existing membership ID from the customer in order to update and record member points. The customer also need to give their point detail in reservation form at the website in order to redeem the reward.
For data flow diagram level 0, there are one entity involved, which is member. In DFD level 0, there are 4 processes. First process is members detail. For the second process is members point. For the third process is points detail. And the fourth process is reward detail. All the process in DFD level 0 will be transferred to reward database and points database. For data flow diagram level 1, there are steps involved in every process of level 0. For 1.0, customer will register the card by enters their information. Then, it will update the customer service use. For 2.0, customer will enter their ID. Then, it will be updated in the system. So, customer can track their points in the database. For 3.0, customer will book for a room available. When customer has checked in, their point will be updated in the points database. Lastly, 4.0, customer will enter their ID to check their current points. Then, system will notify the customer if they are available for redemption of reward. When customer has redeemed the point, it will be updated in points database.
First, customer. In the customer table, we have designed the database which the customer need to fill in the details regarding themselves, such as first name, gender, phone number, address, postcode, city, state, and email address. Second, reward. In reward table, we have designed the database for reward ID, reward description, and reward cost. The type of reward depends on reward cost, which is reward point. The higher the point, the more beneficial reward that customer will receive. Third, service. In service table, we have designed the database for point that the customer gets when use the Permatasuri Beach Resort service. Example, when a customer use the spa service, the point automatically updated into customer ID. Fourth, point. In point table, we have designed the database to save customer points. When customer check in to stay at hotel, the customer point automatically updates in hotel point system. Fifth, redeem. In redeem table, we have designed the database to customer to redeem their points. There are many reward choices like RM10 ringgit voucher, RM20 ringgit voucher, free spa entry, and free one night stay. After redeem system automatically updates the balance point after redeem. Now we can see the entity relationship diagram. The primary key for customer is customer ID. The primary key for points is point ID. The primary key for redeem is redeem number. The primary key for service is service code. The primary key for reward is reward ID. The customer entity connect with point entity because of customer ID. The relationship is one-to-many. The point entity connect with redeem entity because of point ID. The relationship is one-to-many. The point entity connect with service entity because of service code. The relationship is many to one. The redeem entity connect with reward entity because of reward ID. The relationship is many to one. Now I will explain about user interface. There are many forms like home form, customer form, point form and redeem form. I will also describe the report for each form that I stated before that. Home form. When customer open Permatasuri Beach Resort website, they will get to see the homepage first. The figure show what customer will see when they first open PBR website. They can actually explore every column such as room, facilities, getting here, gallery, reward, and contact us. Customer form. Customer form is online form that need to be filled by the customer. In this form, customer need to fill in information about themselves such as name, gender, phone number, email address, and their address. Then the system will generate the customer ID. Point form. In this form, customer need to fill in their name, date, and the description about their service used. Then customer need to click the save button and system will auto-generate the customer current point, service number, point, and total point. Redeem form. In this form, customer need to fill their name and dates. Then customer need to click the save button and system will auto-generate the point number, point available, reward code, reward description, reward cost, and balance point. Customer detail report. The customer detail report provide the personal information about the customer that stay at Permatasuri Beach Resort. This report will provide personally identifiable information to PBR. This report will help the resort to review the detail of the customer that have stayed at PBR to allocate point for each service used. Customer point report. The customer point report provide the information about point collected by the customers. By using this report, PBR manager to review which service is common used by the customer and detect the least used service in order to improve it.
The last report is redeem section report. This report provides the information about reward that can be redeemed by the customer based on their points. The item included in the report is customer ID, redeem number, customer name, total point, reward ID, reward description, reward cost, and point balance.